Okay, doing some testing here to make sure this is all working the way I want to. Got a headset here that says the ID is R06L5. I'm gonna go ahead and turn that on. And then I've got an ESP32 with the firmware loaded. And if I press my finger to the pin number 4 and reset it, it's gonna boot the device into a web server mode, similar to like I've done other devices. And then I can go ahead and use my phone to log into the access point. Now I'm going to the settings on my iPhone. I'm going to go into the Wi-Fi networks and see that I have the JHALO number 3 as an access point. I'm going to click on that, get into the Wi-Fi network for it. I'm going to open my web server and go to 192.168.4.1. Okay, and this is what the screen looks like. It says JHALO device configuration. Set the mode. We're going to select the mode, and we're going to set this as a respawn red. Okay. Set player ID. That's not really important unless you're doing like what do you call it? Infected player. So we're not going to bother with that. We're going to change the BLE server name, which is the name we just saw from the headset, which was R06L5. I'm going to hit submit. I get a confirmation page and I double check and make sure that matches the headset R06L5. That's correct. Cool. And I'm going to back out of that. You don't have to back out of it. Now all I need to do is reset the ESP32 now and make sure it works. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and press reset on the ESP32 without pressing the number 4 pin. And so it's going to start in the normal mode, and it takes a few seconds as it's processing, and it's going to go ahead and pair to the Bluetooth, or sorry, to the headset that we configured this for just a moment ago. And as it pairs to it, it's going to make sure it's all a stable connection first. That's how the firmware works. And after that, it's going to put it into the spawn. So now you see it changed red. So the headset's now a respawn station, and it's every single time it's flashing the high output, that's confirming that it's shooting the respawn tag. So you can respawn your red team off of this headset. And if it was blue, it would be blue, green, green, and obviously yellow, yellow if you're playing with those extra game or those extra teams.